LG CineBeam S, compact 4K UST laser projector now orderable in more regions, 1 to 200 in 919. Main features ultra-short throw technology, 4K UHD resolution DCI-P3 154%, RGB laser contrast ratio 450,000.1, maximum image diagonal 100 inches 500 ANSI lumens brightness. The CineBeam S is now available for purchase in more European countries, such as Germany. It is a compact projector that supposedly creates a very sharp 4K image and doesn't need much distance to the projection surface. As previously announced, the LG CineBeam S is now available in more European countries. Specifically, the 4K projector can be ordered directly from the manufacturer for 1,299 in Germany, with shipping expected to begin on September 15. However, prospective buyers shouldn't buy the LG projector by itself, but rather opt for the promotional bundle that includes the LG CineBeam S and the LG X-Boom Bounce by Will. IM speaker. The latter usually has a retail price of around $200, but it's included as a free pre-order bonus in this case. As mentioned above, we have previously reported on the LG CineBeam S. It's a compact projector with a 4K resolution, which might not be native and only achieved via pixel shifting. Anyhow, this is an established technology that does not necessarily result in a lower picture quality. Since this is a 4K UST projector, it only needs a distance of 3.2 inches for a projection of 40 inches, so using it on a desk is quite possible. The throw ratio is 0.25 to 1. The CineBeam projector itself measures 6.3 x 4.3 x 6.3 inches and weighs less than 4.4 lbas, making it easy to carry around. On the other hand, LG's new laser projector has a comparatively low brightness of 500 ANSI lumens, but it covers 154% of the DCI-P3 color space according to the South Korean manufacturer. A remote control is included in the box, and HDMI and USB-C are available in terms of connectivity. Features Bluetooth sound output, yes, dual mode. File, office. Viewer, no HDMI ARC. Audio return channel, yes. eARC, image flip, yes. Horizontal, vertical. Internet browser, yes. Platform, OS, UI. WebOS, 24, wireless content sharing with Android, iOS. Yes. Voice recognition, built-in, yes. Requires Magic Remote. AirPlay 2, iOS Mac video casting, mirroring, audio streaming. Yes. HDR, HDR10, HLG.